Okay, I breadboarded this last night and it's a sort of Lunetta, sort of bastardised version. What we've got here is a 40106 which is sending a gate signal, sorry, one of the gates is sending a clock signal to the 4017 IC, which steps through 4 steps, each one controlling an LED, and each one of these steps also goes through a 10k pot, and each one of these 10k pots is connected to a 555 timer chip, all going into the control voltage input. Then the whole circuit is going into a ring modulator circuit that I've built before, and that's made from a 40106 IC and a 4066 IC. The clock speed's got a variable tempo, and we can change the carrier wave signal on the ring modulator, and then each step's got an adjustable control, and then the 555 has got an overall pitch control. Now let's plug her in. This is the ring modulator effect. I'm not sure how this will show up on the camera, so I'll just put the light out so you can see the LEDs then. Okay, we'll change the speed of the original clock signal. This is the 555 overall pitch getting changed. It doesn't quite work as expected. I was hoping these 4 pots would give me 4 different notes, but they all sort of modulate each other. No, that one doesn't seem to be working. Well, I think I'm going to rip it all out and start again. I should have had the 555 timer sending a clock signal to the sequencer chip, and each step controlling one of the gates on the 40106. So it's back to the drawing board.